All right, this is a rebar load. It's called a coil load, and this pattern of loading is called east-west. So I just want to take you around. I just loaded right now, so yet to be secured. I'm going to show you a video of how it looks after securement. So I only just secured this back because I need to drive from where I loaded to this location where I want to secure right now. So you see how I did that at the back? That is how you're supposed to secure this type of load. Look at it, east-west. There is coil under, and there's also coil on top. So let's secure this load together, and I'm going to show you how it looks like after securement. And this load is good. I'm going to be tapping it also, and I'll also show you how it looked like when I finish the tapping and the securement. Let's go. Okay, this is how it looked like after securement. See the way it looked like? So this is the maximum way to secure this is load. Okay, so now what next is for me to go tap. Because of time, I'm not going to go back of the trailer. It's the same thing it looks like in the other side. The same way it look like here too. So that is it. Let me go closer in case you want to do your own for the first time. Say you throw it down, then go up to the other coil on the top. Look at it. It's very simple, but it takes time. This load takes 3 hours to secure. So now I'm going to go tap it, then I'm going to show you guys how it look like after tapping. Let's go. So I'm going to be driving. I'm putting my truck in the middle of these two I don't know what to call this. These two caravan like trailer, these two part now that you're seeing in my front right now. I'm going to put my drive into this tiny place, then put my trailer there. I'm going to be climbing the two staircase, in order for my hand to get to the top of my load so I can tap it. Okay, let's go, man. So I'm going to drive in the middle right now. I have to be very careful so that my trailer will not crash it, because it's just about 5 inches space in between my trailer and the deck. It's just 5. It's not up to 5 inches, So I have to be very careful. Now I'm already done with this. So this is the way it looks after tapping. So that is it. Alright, if you want to learn more about load securement with flatbed, follow my YouTube page, We Life. And also if you want to see what is going on trucking industry, follow my Facebook page, Trucking is Fun, and my TikTok is Trucking View. Alright, so have a great time, have a great day, be safe out there, drive carefully. Your reaction time should be like swift. Alright, don't be distracted with your phone. Let your 2 hands be free. If only it is important for you to talk on your phone, use hand-free headset. Okay, bye for now.
Let's